Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 259. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 covering both of these boxes. So our 2 must be here. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 8, 4 and 8 here. So this is our 3, that 8 means this is our 4, 8. For this box now we're missing 1 and 2, and I don't see any help, so 1, 2, 1, 2. For this row we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 4, 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column now we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this box now we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so 6, 7, 1, 5, and 6 here means this is our 7, 6. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. For this row now we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 3, 4, and that 3 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're also missing 3 and 7. But we've got a 7 here, so 3, 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 7, 7 here, so 1, 6. That means the only place the 7 can be in that column is here. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 2. 1 here, so 2, 9. 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2, 9, 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4 and 3. And that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.